start.
Hello, we're back again today. I've got my pieces cut out, sanded, filed, annealed, which I showed you guys last time. And now today what I want to do is I want to put a line down the center of my abstract feather so that it has a sense of like a quill on it. So what I'm taking here is some steel binding wire, and when you get it, it usually is in a mess. It's not straight. So what I'd like to show you is that there are a couple of ways to straighten it. One is put it in a vise and pull and twist, and the other is just to take your piece, and I'm using a rawhide mallet so I don't distort the shape of it, and I'm going to lay it down and I'm going to rotate and hammer. And so I'm rolling this like a pencil. If I lift it up, it's going to bend, so I'm keeping it flat down on the surface and rolling it, turning it over to the other end and rolling it, keeping it flat on the anvil surface. And by using the rawhide mallet, it's still staying round and straight. So that's how I got these two pieces straightened out. And now I'm going to lay this piece of steel binding wire on my silver piece, and I'm going to tape it down, mainly so I don't damage my fingers, and lining it up very, very carefully. And then I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to take it to the anvil surface, and I'm not going to use the rawhide mallet because it won't imprint into the soft silver that's been annealed. I'm going to use the claw hammer, and I'm going to make sure that I don't hit from side to side and damage the surface of the silver. I'm going to start on the end, and I'm just going to tap, and you can see how the masking tape is starting to break away. And I'm holding it, this part down. And I'm going to just very carefully go back. And then before I take this off, what I want to do is look and make sure that I've got a nice clean line down the back there. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to pull this off. And now I have this line running down the center of this, which I think adds to the piece. I'm now at a point of trying to decide, look how it split that a little bit, that's kind of cool, to decide on what more I want to do to this piece. I definitely want to not keep it flat. I want to make it more three-dimensional. And the next time we get together, I'll be talking about how I'm going to do that. All right.